Hello lovely viewers, welcome to Learning with Wednesday. If you see these words near a verb, like every day, last week, right now, or tomorrow, you've just found a clue to help you choose the right tense. Tenses tells us when something happens. Is it happening now? Did it happen already? Or will it happen later? Stay tuned and like this video. You can consider subscribing to the channel as well, so as to receive updates anytime I upload a new video without wasting much time. Let's get straight into today's business. Tense in grammar is used to show the time of action. In English, we usually divide tenses into 3 time zones: the present, the past, and the future. Each of these has 4 forms. But today, we will cover the first 5 most commonly used ones. Present simple tense. The present simple tense is used to talk about daily habits, facts, and regular actions. Words like always, usually, every day, never, sometimes, often are always used. For the structure, we have affirmative, negative, and question. For the affirmative, we have subject plus base verb, which is followed by s or es for he, she, and it. But when it is negative, you use subject plus do or does not plus base verb. And for question, you use do or does plus subject plus base verb. For example, I go to school every day. She drinks tea in the morning. Does he play football? I go to school every day is affirmative. She drinks tea in the morning. Does he play football is the question. Let's talk about the past simple tense. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions that happened and ended in the past. It took place in the past and ended in the past. So words like yesterday, last night, 2 days ago, in 1990, once upon a time are being used. For the structure, we have the affirmative, the negative, and the question. For the affirmative, this will take subject plus past form of verb, and for the negative, it will take subject plus did not plus base verb. For the question, it's going to be did plus subject plus base verb. For those of you that just view my page for the first time, repeating this base verb subject might sound new to you, but if you make reference to my past videos on subject and verbs, where I also explain about objects, you will really understand what I'm talking about. For example, we visited grandma last week. They did not go to school yesterday. Did you watch the match? These sentences just explain the structure listed above. And the third commonly used tense is the future simple tense. This is used to talk about the actions that will happen in the future. Words like tomorrow, next, next week, soon, later are being used. And the structure is still under affirmative, negative, and question. So for the affirmative part of the structure, you use subject plus will plus base verb. And for the negative part of the structure, you use subject plus will not plus base verb. And also for the question structure, you use will plus subject plus base verb. If you notice, for the negative of each of these tenses, they are taking not because it signifies negative. For example, I will call you tomorrow. That is affirmative. I've said it and I'm going to do it. She will not attend the meeting. That is negative. A negative sentence. Will they come to the party? That is a questioning sentence. Let's continue to the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions happening right now or temporary actions. So, words like now, at the moment, currently are being used for these tenses. And the structure still goes the same way. The affirmative structure, the questioning structure, and the negative structure. For present continuous tense, the affirmative structure will be subject plus am, is, or are plus verb that have ing. Then for the negative structure, it will be subject plus am, is, or are not plus verb that have ing. For the questioning structure, it will be am, is, or are plus subject plus verb that have ing. For example, she is studying at the moment. Affirmative. We are not watching TV. Negative. Are you listening? Question. And the last one we'll be talking about today is the past continuous tense. This helps to talk about actions that were ongoing at a specific time in the past. Words like while, when, at 5 p.m. yesterday, etc. are being used. Following the same sentence structure pattern, which can be either affirmative, negative, or questioning. For this, the affirmative structure will be subject plus was or were plus verb having ing. The negative structure will be subject plus was or were not plus verb having ing. And the questioning part will be was or were plus subject plus verb ing. For example, I was reading when the lights went off. They were not sleeping. Was she cooking? Remember, simple tenses focus on the action itself. Continuous tenses focus on the ongoing nature of the action. Let's take a quick practice question. She dashed dinner now. I have cook as the verb. Is your answer going to be affirmative, in a negative form, or in the questioning form? Will it be in the past, in the present, or in the future? Or will it rather be continuous? They dash to school every day. I have go as my verb. I dash a movie when she called. Which of the tenses will you use? We dash grandma tomorrow. I have visit as my verb. He dash his homework yet. I have not finished in the brackets. Think about what things is missing. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will dive into the perfect and perfect continuous tenses. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your classmates or learners. Let's make grammar fun and simple together. Don't forget to visit my website at www.poga.com.ng. Bye!